So why do we need sleep? Because if you actually look at sleep, it seems to be the most ridiculous thing to do, because you're totally defenseless because you're asleep, you've lost consciousness, you can't hunt for food, you can't go and forage for food, you can't sort of protect yourself in any way, and yet we sleep. Now, did you know that the Guinness Book of Records, right, has banned people from doing any kind of sleep deprivation attempts? So why is sleep important? Hi there, Dr. Sandhu here from Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. Another short video here just to give you a little bit of an insight into one of the important things for our health, and sleep is really, really important. So let's start from the basics. So firstly, how many hours of sleep do you need? Well, as an adult, we need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep. What's the best time to go to sleep? Between 10 and 11 seems to be the optimum time to go to sleep. Now, why is sleep important? Well, it has been shown that just one night of a lack of 4 hours sleep means that you lose 70% of your ability to be able to produce T killer cells, which are cells that protect you from cancer. Now, none of us can have that. If I was to deprive you from just a few hours of sleep a day for a whole week, your testosterone levels, especially important in men, but important for women as well, would decrease by up to 50%. That's just over a period of a week. And it would actually mean that genetically or physiologically, you're going to be aged by 10 years. And that's just over a period of a week. Now, sleep is so important. It is one of the most important things that you can do for your health. And there's lots of ways that you can help yourself to get that sleep. One of the things you need to do is you need to make sure that your room is absolutely dark. So using sort of blinds that make the room completely dark is important. Having sort of no external sort of light in your room is good. Trying to sort of minimize your electrical activity in the room. So TVs, mobile phones, have them on. If you have to have your mobile phone with you, then have it sort of on flight mode, right? So that it's at its minimum activity. Sleep is so important. I'm going to go into a lot more information with you. Watch out for future videos on other things related to health. But get your good night's sleep this evening, all right? And find out more about why it's important in other videos that are going to follow on from this. So Dr. Sandhu, Bedford Chiropractic Clinic, where your health matters. And I look forward to seeing you to see how I can help you. Great. I really hope you enjoyed that video and found the information useful. Now, all you need to do to actually come and have a consultation with me is give us a call. So check out bedford-chiropractor.co.uk. You'll find it in the comment section. So have a look at that website, give us a call, and I look forward to helping you resolve your issues. Call us today, don't wait or delay. There's no greater wealth than health.